Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Unboxing a Brand. This is Shirley. Today we're taking a look at not one, not two, but three beauty subscription boxes / bags. So the three companies we're looking at today is Birchbox, Sephora Play, and Ipsy. The price for all three companies costs about the same. It's roughly around $10 a month plus taxes. Shipping is usually included unless you're living in Canada. They sometimes charge you a little bit more. So let's get started. I don't have too much makeup on right now because I wanted to try some of these products that I got. I'm a very simple beauty person. I don't use too many products, so I'll know right away if I like a certain product. The first one I'm going to open is Ipsy. A lot of you might have already heard of Ipsy before. It was started by one of the original YouTube beauty gurus. Her name is Michelle Phan, and they send you a bag every month along with your samples / products. So it looks like the month of April, everybody got a lemon bag. Of course, with all of these companies, when you first sign up, you fill out a beauty profile so that they understand a little bit more about you. And when they send you samples, they try to select things that they think you will like. So this is just a basic $10 glam bag. They also have a different version of this bag, and it's $25 instead of $10. And I believe they call it the Glam Bag Plus. So this is the basic $10 version. One other thing I wanted to mention, when you first sign up, you don't just get on the list, they call it right away. So they put you on a waiting list unless you share your buys with your friends on Facebook. So they force you to connect on Facebook and send out a message to everybody saying, hey, look guys, I just signed up for Ipsy, check it out. So I didn't really want to do that. This is my second time subscribing to Ipsy. The first time I did that, and once you do that, I think it's a two-step process. You have to, one, post it onto your Facebook page, and then two, send it in a private message. So of course you can send it to a friend and give them a heads up. Just be like, hey, I need to do this to sign up for Ipsy. So watch out for the message. So that's what I did the first time around. Once you do that, you are off the wait list right away, and then they send you the bag right away. But for the sake of making this video, I didn't want to do that, and so I just skipped it and I said, I'll wait for the bag, it's okay. I think I actually waited for 3 weeks before they let me on the list. So that's just something to keep in mind. If you don't want to be on the list, you know, send it out to your Facebook friends and stuff. Anyways, all right, so let's have a look at what we got. So it came with a postcard, now in season fresh spring beauty. So it looks like they have tutorials and videos on ipsy.com/glambag. The first product that I got is a Moods by Laura Sanchez, and let's see what this is. So it looks like this. This is most likely a sample, right? Yeah, this is not for resale. So it's a palette. I mean, not a palette, probably just one color. All right, so it looks like this. And when you open it, this is the color. Is this like eyeshadow or blush? It doesn't say what it is. So apparently, I'll have to look it up, but I'm guessing it's eyeshadow. I don't know. The second item that I got comes in this little tube, Purely's Watermelon Energizing 2-Minute Polishing Peel. For all skin types, gently resurfaces skin smoothing and boosts radiance. So this is probably like a face peel kind of thing. Beauty through Asian wisdom. Is this an Asian brand? Oh, there's lychee in here. That's cool. Okay. Oh. Smells like watermelon. It has a little bit of an exfoliant in here, so I guess you can use this maybe like once or twice a week. The third item that I got from Ipsy is a creamy lip stain. Ooh, I like lip stains. Stain and shine. All right, and it comes in this little tube, and this is by The Balm, as in the balm instead of the bomb. The color is a little bit darker than what I'm used to, but I'm curious to try it. So that top one there is the color. All right, and then it looks like there's an eyeliner. So Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner and Wide Lash by Ico London. Ooh, and it goes on really smooth like a black pen or a black brush. Nice. Okay, and then the final item from Ipsy is this little guy, and this is the Base Tape Hydrating Primer Base Hydrate. Oh, it's by Tarte. Double Duty Beauty. Okay. Oh, it smells like coconuts. All right, so this is just a primer that you put on your face. I already have foundation on, so I can't use this today, but it smells amazing. So that was the, oh, this eyeliner is actually not coming off, which means it might be waterproof. Interesting. All right, so from Ipsy, just a recap, we have a makeup bag. I've got a hydrating primer, a lip stain, a black eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, a polishing peel, and then this palette, which could be used probably as a blush or eyeshadow. So those were my 5 items for Ipsy. And actually, I like everything in here. I'm really curious to try it, but let's open up the rest of the boxes and see what kind of try on I want to do here. Okay, so I'm gonna do Sephora Play next. Sephora Play is also $10 a month and shipping is included. It's trial size makeup just like Ipsy. Every time you order one of these boxes, you get 50 Sephora beauty points. And if you shop at Sephora regularly, you should probably know what that is. It's just points for every time you spend. You collect your points and you can redeem them for samples and free sets and stuff like that. All right, let's open it up. This is my first box with Sephora Play, and ooh, show off and share using hashtag Sephora Play. Oh, and then here's your 50 beauty insider points. I guess they don't add it on automatically. Oh, you have to bring it in store or use the code online. Okay, so it's only good for about a month or so, a month and a half. And there's a code here, so you have to redeem it. A lot of times Sephora has these different like promotions and stuff, so I think you can only enter one code at a time. So if you decide to use your beauty points, you can't use any other codes. I don't know what I feel about that. All right, so this is the Sephora Bingo. It's just a fun little bingo game, I guess. All right, and then this is everything that we got in this box or bag, I think. So it looks like there's 6 items. Let's go through them one by one. It looks like once you open the box, everything came in a plastic bag. So I guess you could reuse this bag, but I don't know how long this bag will hold up, but it's reusable. All right, let's have a look inside. Bigger, blacker batter. Bigger, blacker batter. Bigger, blacker batter. All right. So this is a mascara by Urban Decay. A lengthening and volumizing mascara that glides on easy for full body lashes. I think actually I might have tried this full size before, but all right, cool. Let's try it again. So that's the first item. The second item is by Fresh, and I actually really like this brand. I actually have a couple of their lipsticks, or what is this called, lip treatments already. So interesting that they sent a mini version. So it's good for travel, or you just pop in your purse. And this is the Dream color, which is a soft pink lip treatment that enhances volume and provides moisture. I will definitely be using this. And even though it's a trial version, there's a lot in here, and this will last a good couple months, I think. So, ooh, I'm really excited about this. So far, I'm happy. All right, the next item is something by the Sephora collection. This is the Triple Action Cleansing Water, and it's made with matcha green tea extract. No rinse, soap-free cleansing water that removes impurities and makeup. You don't have to rinse, and you can just use this to wipe away dirt and makeup. I'm really curious to try that because I've been wanting to try a new makeup remover. Cool. All right, next up is the Makeup Forever Smoothing Primer. A lightweight primer that evens out tone, smooths texture, and preps skin for makeup. Cool, so this is step 1. Let's see here. So I'm just gonna show you a tiny bit. So that's just a sample of it, and it's supposed to be skin toned. And then once you rub it out, it's actually a super matte and smooth primer. So, ooh, and it smells pretty good. So I'm really curious to try this when I don't have any foundation or BB cream on. Okay, this I like. All right, we've got 2 more. So the next item is by Clinique, and it's a Pep Start eye cream. Ooh, I love eye creams. I've just started to use eye cream more often because the best way to get rid of wrinkles is to prevent them from happening, right? So this is a tiny sampler. Eye cream. Let's see what it smells like. So it's just this white color. It smells like coconut, or is that from my last thing that I tried? I don't know, but it has a very faint smell. I'm curious to try this. I love eye creams. A lightweight eye cream that brightens and hydrates skin. So this cream helps visibly depuff skin for a refreshed look. Nice, I like that. Okay, and then the last item is really just a sampler. Oh, so this is a bonus item. I guess they have 5 base items, and then sometimes you get bonus items. So this month's bonus item is a Power Clay by Christoph Robin. I think this is just a face mask that comes in like a little pouch thing. Oh, just kidding. It's not a face mask. It's shampoo. Okay, cleansing volumizing paste. There's like French on here too, so it's hard to read. Wait, what is this? A shampoo, a shampoo formulated with clay that transform from a paste to an airy foam. Interesting. Okay, so I guess it is a shampoo. All right, gonna have to try that out. Cool. Okay, recap for this month's Sephora Play. I'm pretty happy with everything that I got. I can see myself using everything in here, so it's pretty good value for 10 bucks. A quick recap, we got this shampoo, powered clay, a smoothing primer, we got an eye cream, we've got a cleansing water, we've got this lip therapy, and then we got this mascara. So these were my 5 items for the month and a bonus item. All right, so far so good. I'm liking everything I'm seeing here, Sephora. Okay, now let's move on to Birchbox. The way they address people is really funny. This month is the Masterful Shirley. This is the second box that I've gotten so far. I haven't published the first video yet, so let's have a look at this now. Birchbox is also $10 a month, but I think they actually recently raised their prices, if I'm not mistaken. I think that I saw an email from them saying that they are increasing their prices so that they can bring you more value, and I think they've raised it to either $12 or $15 a month. I have to check on that. I'm not entirely sure, but I'll let you know. Okay, I went ahead of myself. All right, so cool. All right, so this is Birchbox, and they send you everything in a box every month. And I think Birchbox is one of the first beauty companies that started this beauty subscription thing. So that's cool. So you get one of these boxes every month, and the patterns and the graphics change. So it looks like there's this like iridescent pattern going on for this month. Okay, and let's see what we got here. Here's a card on the inside. Oh, there's a note here. So it says, "This is the beginning of the new Birchbox experience, and it'll keep getting better. We'll bring you more choices, greater value, new brands, and fun surprises along the way. We want you to have the best of the best of the best. So, like it, hate it, we want to know. Text us." Okay, we got a tiny note. Ooh, $15 off of your first order. As a small thanks for being a subscriber, treat yourself to $15 off your next 60+ shop order. So they have a website where you can purchase full-size products of some of the samples that you receive. And I think a lot of people were pretty angry that they raised their monthly prices. So I think this is why this is why I think they did this. All right, let's have a look. This is a cleansing foam conditioner shampoo. Oh no, that's French. Okay. Cleansing foam conditioner, and it comes in this like aerosol can. Get nourished and softer hair with this 2-in-1 foam that cleanses and hydrates hair without weighing it down. Massage a small amount from roots to end and rinse. Cool. All right. That's interesting. Curious to try that. The next item that I got is a caviar CC cream. The lightweight cream provides 10 benefits: moisture, shine, smoothness, softness, hold, manageability, strength, and protection from breakage, heat, and UV protection. All right, so this is a leave-in conditioner. So far I've already received 2 hair products from Birchbox. Okay, next up is the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. Get your beauty sleep with this facial serum made with lavender essential oil and evening primrose oil to make your skin look refreshed by morning. Massage 2 to 3 drops into skin after cleansing. All right, I like Kiehl's. I think they're a natural skincare or makeup company. Ooh, tiny little thing. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. All right, so it comes in this little like eyedropper bottle, and you just use a few drops and put it on your skin before you go to sleep. Let's see. Smells like Kiehl's. Yeah, it's very like, it smells like nature. Okay, it smells like herbs maybe. I like the smell. Interesting. And it's not too greasy. It definitely dries pretty fast, so I'm curious to try this out. Next item is a Dr. Jart Ceramidin cream. So this cream is packed with ceramides, making it a powerful hydrator that boosts skin's moisture retention. After cleansing, pat a nickel-sized amount into skin. So it's just like, smells nice. It's not too fragrancy, so that's cool. I'm curious to try this. All right, next up is a Roller Lash Black Mascara. Is this the 3rd mascara I've received? I have to do a comparison. All right, so this is by Benefit, and it's the Roller Lash. What's so great about, so their bristles are like plastic instead of like I don't know what else, those like brushy material bristles. So this is curling and lifting mascara. It's made with tiny soft hooks that instantly catch, curl, and separate each lash. Yes, indeed, it does do that. I tried out the Glossier mascara, and they have a similar applicator for mascara, and it really separates your lashes. If you want to see that video, I'll link it here, but I'm curious to try this one from Benefit. And then the last item that we got is a Tarte lip paint. And this color looks like a color I would normally try, so it looks like they really looked at my profile. They didn't send me any crazy colors. And this color is actually pretty similar to the one that I just got from Ipsy. Let's compare it. This is the Tarteist lip color in, what color is this? This is Token? Token, yes. So glossy lip paint in Token. This was the lip balm that I got from Ipsy. Let's see if the colors are similar. Okay, it's a little bit different. The one from Ipsy is a little bit darker, so you can see. The one on top is Ipsy, the one on the bottom is the Tarte one that we just got. A quick recap for everything from Birchbox. So it looks like we got 6 items. It was the cleansing foam conditioner, the leave-in hair conditioner, a mascara, a lip paint, a hydrating cream, and a midnight recovery concentrate oil. So it was 2 skin items, 2 hair products, 2 makeup related things. 6 items from Birchbox. Everything in this box I can see myself using, so that's pretty good. I mean, all 3 of these companies sent me stuff that I would definitely use, so I'm quite excited. I think I might skip for the month or 2 just because it's going to take me a while to go through all these samples. So that's a good thing about these companies. You can always skip or cancel if you like. But if I had to choose one company, I can't really choose. I feel like all 3 of these companies sent me really good things. At least maybe I got lucky this month and they just sent me stuff that I liked. All right, so I'm going to finish my makeup with the products that I just got. It looks like I only got 1 eyeshadow-ish looking like thing. I really hope this is eyeshadow because I'm going to be using it as eyeshadow. So I'm going to first try on this Moods palette from Ipsy. I'm just going to use my hands. It's a really fresh, like spring summery color. Oh, interesting. I wonder if you can also use this as blush. Probably. Or maybe this is just blush that I'm using as eyeshadow. Ooh, it has like this orange glow in it as well, even though it's mostly pink. I usually wouldn't recommend using fingers, but I was hoping I would get a brush. I didn't, so I'm just gonna use my fingers for this video. Okay, so that is hopefully the eyeshadow from Ipsy by Laura Sanchez. The next item I'm using is also from Ipsy, and it's the liquid eyeliner. All right. Let's see here. Ooh, this brush is so smooth. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. So this brush is very similar to the Tom Ford liquid eyeliner, but that eyeliner is like something like $60 or something. It feels so smooth when you're applying it. This is amazing. Ooh. I might get the full version of this. Like, this is really nice. I'm just gonna put some lip stuff on and I think I'm set for the day, at least for filming this video. All right, so I'm just gonna try the Sugar lip balm here. It's definitely very sheer and goes on quite smooth, and there's a very faint smell of berries. All of their lip stuff smell very similar. I usually don't wear a lot of lipstick because it just gets everywhere and I'm very uncomfortable wearing it, and I usually just wear something very light, so this really suits me. But yeah, so that was unboxing Ipsy, Birchbox, and Sephora Play. I'm actually very happy with all 3 of these boxes, to be quite honest with you. Even the hair stuff and the skincare stuff, I'm really curious to try. So I'm glad that I signed up for these boxes. So overall, I'm quite impressed. The reason why I canceled my Ipsy account a few years ago was because they started sending me these crazy colors that I just don't like using. So that's why I canceled it. But it looks like this month they sent me everything that's pretty basic, except maybe for this lip stain that's slightly darker. Okay, so that was unboxing Ipsy, Sephora Play, and Birchbox. If you have any questions or comments, or if you also subscribe to these companies and got some of the same samples I did, let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. My channel is all about unboxings and reviews. I'm also on Facebook and Instagram, so make sure to check me out there as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you at the next one. Bye!